Introducing the 2018 Skoda Octavia Style 1.6 TDI with 115 horsepower and a smooth DSG transmission. This sleek red saloon has only 85,000 kilometres on the clock and is in pristine condition. Equipped with a host of comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, this car ensures a smooth and secure ride every time. Luxury trim, tinted windows, and a chrome package add a touch of style to this already impressive vehicle. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive away with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit our website, mullinghourautos.ie, for more information on this amazing Skoda Octavia.